Hello again, dear second year ISP students. I am your medical English teacher and welcome to the third course. So, our course today will be an anatomy lesson, or a body parts, vital organs and systems. And as you know, our body or our organs are very complicated in shape. And to know them more detailed, we have to see the construction of them. So, here is a photo or an image shows us the construction of our body. We have here the skull, which covers our brain. We have a left eye and a right eye. We have also a right facial nerve and the left facial nerve. We have the mandible, like we say in Arabic, al-fak. We have also right common carotid artery and left common carotid artery. We have right clavicle and the left clavicle. In Arabic, it is at-tarqwa. We have right ribs and left ribs. We have also two lungs, which are responsible about the respiration operation, left lung and the right lung. We have the heart, which pumps the blood in all our body. We have also the spleen and the stomach. In the right side, we have the diaphragm, and we have a liver. We have also the pancreas and the right kidney, left kidney and the rectum. We have also pelvic bones surrounding the two kidneys. We have here the rectum and we have left femoral arteries and the right femoral arteries. We have also two femur, left one and the right one. We have two patellas also, left and a right, and two tibiae. We have two fibula also, the right one and the left one. Moving now to important definition of terms concerning the field of anatomy. First, what is anatomy? It is simply the structure of the body inside and outside. Second, what do we mean by vital organs? First, organs are pieces of equipment inside our body. 2. Vital, crucial and extremely important. Why we call them vital organs? Because if anything happened to them or if they got damaged, we will die immediately. That's why we must be careful when it comes to taking care of them. Here we have maybe 5 or 6 organs which are very important in our body and we can't replace them. The heart, the skull or the mind, and other organs which can never be replaced. Fourth, what do we mean by systems? Systems are the controls of what is happening in our body and regulate everything which is going inside. So, we have to study the main systems in our body. First, starting by the circulatory system. It includes the heart. When it pumps, it makes the blood circulate in your body with big amounts of oxygen, and this system includes the heart, the blood vessels, the arteries, the veins, and the spleen. As you know, the heart pumps the blood in all over our body. The blood vessels are the channels in which the blood walks through, and the arteries and the veins. The blood vessels, they are the small little lines of blood that reach all over the body. The arteries, they are the big blood vessels or the main pipeline that provides the whole body with oxygen. If they get clogged, which means getting filled with fats coming from food such as hamburger or the other types of food or any junk food known as the unhealthy food. The veins, we can see them clearly in our arms with their blue color, and they are the ones which go straight to the heart to get refilled. Secondly, the central nervous system or the mind system. It is composed from the brain, the spinal cord, and nerves. A. The brain, known as the biggest muscle in the body, and it is located in the skull. It controls the voluntary and the non-voluntary actions in our body. Voluntary actions, we can control them, for example, writing or speaking or listening to anybody who is talking. And non-voluntary actions, we cannot control them or even we can't feel them, and they happen non-voluntarily, for example, breathing or sleeping. B. The spinal cord. it is the line in the back of your body which keeps all your skeleton all together, which means, or in Arabic we say al-amud al-fiqri. C. The nerves. They are the ones which transform the signal from our brain to our body. Moving now to the third system, which is the respiratory system. It is composed from the lungs, trachea and diaphragm. Lungs, they are two fragile pieces inside our chest that absorb the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide and push it back inside. We have also the diaphragm. It is underneath the lungs and it pushes up and down to help the lungs expand or contract. It is also over the abdominal part of our body and it is an important part in our respiration process. So, the diaphragm expands, which means to become larger, or contracts to decrease in size, and that helps in the absorption of the oxygen and pushes the carbon dioxide outside. So, moving to the fourth system, which is the urinary system, or what we call it the plumbing system, and it is composed of the two kidneys, bladder, ureters, sphincter, muscles, and urethra. The kidney is located in the back of our back, and they are responsible for cleaning the water in our system and the blood, also creating the urine. The urine is the yellow material or what we call pee. B. The bladder is where we store the pee. C. The ureter is the pass to the bladder. D. The urethra is the little tube that the urine comes out. And finally, E. The sphincter muscles. They are in our anus. Transplant is the operation where we take an organ from a healthy person and put it inside a person who is missing that one organ. And to know, our kidneys can be replaced from another healthy person, so they are replaceable. Finally, and 5, the digestive system or the multifunction system. It does a lot of tasks. For example, it cleans the blood and takes out the harmful toxins and processes them. It produces the bile and digestive juices that break down the food and stomach. It also produces enzymes, which are components that control chemical reactions in our bodies. It is composed of the stomach, liver, small and large intestine, rectum, and anus. The small and large intestines, the tubes that go back and forth and process the food until it goes out. The rectum and the anus are where the waste goes out. So here is the end of our course. Hope that you have enjoyed with us. See you next time in the next lesson, inshallah.